So recently I did a review on a light from Warsun that was called the X609. Well, I saw that they had another light and I mentioned it in my video. They heard me say it. There's an X609 Pro and what do you know? But it's right here. And now the reason why I wanted this is it has 10,000 lumens, 4 different modes with a turbo mode, so 3 different light levels, and I'm going to show you all of those. But this right here, it has a forward facing light right there, it has all of your lights right here, and it is supposed to be absolutely incredible. It also has a belt clip on the back. I think we talked about that with the other one and all this great stuff. But what you all need to know is what I need to find out. And is this really 10,000 lumens? Is it actually worth it? So let's get the testing and we're going to find out together. Okay, so this is regular bright. That is super bright. Now that's going down one level. And then that's on the lowest level. It's like 15 hours of runtime on that level. Now I'm going to press and hold. All right, this is the back of the light itself. It's not bad. I'll tell you, it's not bad at all. So yeah, I like this. It isn't bad, right? So let's just see here. See, it's the back of the light there. It actually gives you a pretty good light. It's not bad. All right, but what does turbo hold? Let's turn it off and turbo. Good night. That's super bright. Regular bright. Turbo. That's turbo bright. Let's go see how this does in other places. It off. This is the highest level just on regular. You can see how that looks. Actually, it's really bright. We'll go to medium. Okay, again. All right, we'll go low. Okay, you can see how that is. All right, we're going to turn it off. And let's see what turbo looks like. Good night. Look at that. Look how incredibly bright this is. This is crazy. All right, let's try that again. Turbo. This is crazy bright. It's actually 10,000 lumens. That's crazy. So the question is this. Is this something that you would actually want to get into? Now, it is actually water resistant as well. And it is pretty bulky. I mean, it is pretty heavy. It's like a little brick here. But it has a 1/4-20 on the bottom of it. That is your mounting. Has a nice little tether here. It's got your belt clips. It's got the backlight there, and it's got your front light. But the big thing is the lumen output, the freaking huge amount of lumens that this puts out in the smallest package. This is the most powerful light of this size I've actually ever seen. So with that being said, it also will charge your phone. So it does have, I don't know if I showed this on the last one. It has USB-C, that's how you charge it. That is USB-A, and you're going to charge your phone or whatever device you want to. It's that 5-volt charge. But with that being said, it's only like $60. Yeah, you heard me right. It's only about $60. Now, I'm outside doing this review because I think it's really important to do these reviews where you're doing the testing. Now, it's just about 29, 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so a couple degrees below freezing, which is awesome because it's been negative temperatures in the teens and single digits. Super cold. That's why I did the last one inside, but I'm telling you right now, it actually got pretty warm, and that is warming my hands up, and I am very welcoming of that. My name is Brent. This has been None the Wiser, and I hope that you are a little bit more wise about this light. And if you are, click the link down below. Check it out for yourself. I am a light junkie. I love tools, but lights will get you out of a tight situation. When you can't see well, you need to have a reliable, good light. I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care.